Hi, we at the Equality, Diversity and Inclusion Subcommittee of the Primate Society of Great Britain are working to bring to you our field of primate conservation. To make primate conservation, behavior and captive care management accessible to everybody. But we also know that pursuing a career in primatology comes with its fair share of challenges, whether it's the access to field skills or gaining relevant experience.
Introducing the PSGB Field Skills Workshop, a 3-day immersive experience designed to develop your skills in primatology. Are you a student aiming for a career in primatology, conservation or related fields, but face barriers like financial or time constraints? This workshop is specifically for students who have been historically underrepresented, including those who are care experienced, have disabilities, are estranged, forced migrants, mature students, carers, or from racialized communities. You'll learn behavioural data collection, conservation science, research design, logistics, ethics, and remote data collection through a mix of lectures, group work, and observing primates at ZSL London Zoo. And the best part? It's free. Travel, accommodation, and food expenses are covered for UK-based students. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Visit our website for more information